Welcome back in. Many of you might have primary auto and homeowners insurance, which covers the basic in case something ever happens. But do you need an umbrella liability policy for added protection? Financial expert Stuart Welch of the Welch Group joins us now live by FaceTime. Good to see you this morning, Stuart.
Good morning, Mike.
Quickly, for those who don't know, what is an umbrella policy and why would someone consider getting one?
Yeah, so when you buy let's say automobile insurance, you have a certain amount of liability. So if you have an accident, let's say you have $200,000 in liability, and if you have an accident and somebody sues you and gets a judgment for $400,000, your liability insurance is just going to cap out at $2,000, and you're going to be responsible for the next $2,000. That's where an umbrella liability policy comes in. It dovetails with that and carries it for, in this case, maybe another $1 million of coverage.
Okay, and how does it help you in terms of protection around your homeowners?
Yeah, it's the exact same thing. So if somebody slipped and fell and your homeowner's liability is going to carry you so far, the umbrella picks up from there and carries it much further.
You know, I was surprised to find out, depending on the company you go with, you can get a substantial amount covered on that umbrella policy for relatively low monthly cost. What is the average price that you would normally pay for an umbrella policy?
Yeah, Mike, this might be the best deal in insurance. It's for $1 million of coverage. It's somewhere typically around $150 a year to maybe as much as $350 a year. So that's for $1 million umbrella. One thing you might note is a lot of times you have to bring up your automobile coverage and up your homeowners coverage to meet that. So the umbrella policy might have $1 million deductible. So you've got to raise those others so that there's not a gap.
All right, give us some 3 things people should consider if they, if they need to get an umbrella policy: the types of profession, and also the types of work they're in, and maybe some hobbies that they're into as well.
Yeah, so people ask how much, and maybe is $1 million enough, or $2 million, or $3 million. A lot of that has to do with kind of who you are. So if you're a physician, for example, you're a bigger target. Or if I was looking at lifestyle, for example, if you have swimming pools or you have hunting property with 4-wheelers, those kinds of things. And then finally, if you have young drivers, so if you're a parent and have teenagers that drive, you're going to be much more at risk, and so you might want to consider a larger policy.
Very good information this morning from Stuart Welch of the Welch Group. Stuart, we do appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mike.
All right, we'll be right back with more Good Day. Stick around.